The Physical Efficiency Test (PET) for the ongoing recruitment in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department in Shillong has been postponed due to inclement weather following government directives. Civil Defence and Home Guards Minister Comingone Ymbon inspected the PET venue at the Civil Defence and Home Guards Complex, Mawdiangdiang, Shillong, alongside senior officials including the Commandant General M.K. Singh and Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Kumar Mantri. The PET is part of a recruitment process for 445 vacant positions, including 4 sub-inspector positions, 284 guardsman positions, 17 driver positions and 140 non-combatant employees or NCE positions. The tests are being conducted in 2 centres, Tura and Shillong, with 22,474 candidates provisionally accepted for all positions. While the PET and Physical Measurement Test or PMT began in Tura from the 16th to the 26th of September 2024, the tests in Shillong started on the 30th of September and were scheduled to conclude on the 8th of October 2024. However, the PET, which was held until the 3rd of October 2024, has now been postponed from the 4th to the 8th of October due to adverse weather conditions and additional warnings. After inspecting the venue and holding an urgent meeting with the Central Recruitment Board, Minister Comingone Ymbon also met with candidates and decided to postpone the tests for safety reasons. He added that the government has announced that candidates who qualified in the PMT and participated in the PET on the 2nd and 3rd October will have another chance to participate in the PET as the weather on those days was unfavorable. However, their previous scores will be void and only the marks from the rescheduled PET will be considered for final selection.
Sementara primary yo kamak tu skor itu complain bagi department kalau ada accident kemat ini. Ngikwa ban don geno complain. Di ngan ngaliang ngau pak di situ kata sebagai ini mungkin pak lepas lalu
kadang ke recruitment jongi po kat department sedang kan recruit Hills ladder mat sedang mentah po Shillong along kasih jantia sektor nadu kelai filtrik de snubok ba kamariang kamailat slap nadu artrik laitrik hadu meneru slap di dalam kijonggi kamat nilai inspection netang step ndu jendo sting la po yang tu suabaka sedang gene kejing merek joki la po lepo yang tu nilap bagaimana kamu fit ki begini merek nah kadang-kadang ni postpone di nila keren ni gitu di candidate bawan minta setiap kumno bidon kum siajar tam la hewan kila agree kila nama kikir usnu tu ba kamadan kejongi kalau kabom long fit ki bikin merek nah kadang ni pensenge no ni postpone ni highlight ki hadu bendarang kabling nadu artrik lah setelah day nadu artrik ni lah ban IBM ki bikin tang la degi merek biang ketua kemak sebegi lagi yo kanom stansio dari merek biang gitu ni aila degi song ha ke bekilong willing ne long willing man merek ketak song ki
kila pem kita kisna
ai bekina ai bawan ne sia jatam kila inclement kila i tu jom kemat dia ke jimlong jiman kematan out of 2007 this is past the PET around appeared 9,36 then passed only 4,825 failed 4,211 in Tura 11,786 is completed
11,000?
11,786
86 completed.
yes completed In Shillong, the total candidate who applied for this, who qualified for this is 10,688. Is the male candidates completed 3,161 candidates qualified for PMT and participate in PET. 1,722 candidates passed the PET and 1,439 candidates failed PET.
So how many?
We start the recruitment process from the 30th of last month till first there is no rain. Rain started from the 2nd and 3rd of this month. Those candidates who appear on the 2nd and 3rd, we will give them a chance to
So total on 30th and 1st, how many completed? 30th and 1st.
Out of 22,000, 15,000 have already completed. Out of 15,000, 11,000 completed in Tura, that's no problem. Now the remaining, so only the 2nd and 3rd the rain has affected. These will be 2,600. So they have to repeat if they want to.
If they want to repeat.
If they want.
Okay. So the post driver give along vacancy get on Southerly. SI. Sub Inspector. Aspa Pra Southerly get on Gi Katsman. Kanyotuli Gi post driver. Chispa Southerly get Gi non-competent employees. Total baro kilam. Ano gidan total? So